Hello friends, welcome back to our channel. So in today's video guys, we will see how you can fix error the model item passed into the dictionary, so that is not matching the model type of item. Okay, so you can get this error in your ASP.NET application while working with ASP.NET MVC or ASP.NET Core also. So first of all, you have to understand what the message is saying. So here it is saying that uh, the item passed is of type models.employee, but the dictionary requires a item of type IEnumerable employee. Okay, so now what that means is, for checking this issue, what you have to do is you have to go to the action which is called when you received this error. So we just executed this action here, index, and this was giving error. So then you have to find the view which will be returned here. Okay, so because index is the view name, so you have to go to solution and solution explorer, and you have to check the controller name is home and then the index method. So we will look for home and then the index. Okay, so here you notice guys, we have here list of employees. Okay, but if we go back to the controller, you will notice that I have passed here model which is of type object of employee. So now here we are passing a single employee object, but here it requires a INM of employee, so that means a list of employees. So that's why it is throwing the error. So for fixing this issue, you have two ways. The first way is either you can change the model here to a single employee class. The other one is, if you really want to use the INM here, then you have to modify what you are passing here. So how you will do that is, I have this list of employee here, so I can pass that in the view. So you can get your list with your own code, so that will work. So here I have passed the list of employee, and that is the same thing required here. So IEnumerable and then the list is almost the same type, so don't you worry about that, but there is just minor difference in those. So you can still pass the list to a IEnumerable type of view. Okay, so now we will try to run the application, and then we will see. So you can see that the index method is getting called, and then this time it should work fine because we have matched the types on the controller and also on the view. So you can see this is working this time. So this is how you can fix the error. So thank you guys, and let us know if you face any kind of issue. Thank you.